About 4 years ago, Sentry Insurance Foundation came to the public and offered up innovative grants to school districts in the area. Stevens Point Area Public School District created a STEM into the Future grant offered to all 9 elementary schools over the last 3 years.
We were very, very lucky to be receiving all of the materials that we have.
The level of engagement is exponential when they're dealing with something with STEM. They love the hands-on opportunities. They love the idea to be able to work with a partner, talk about it, think through it, try it. Not only does the engagement go up, their excitement to want to solve a problem, their ability to persevere through any trials that could come up. And the biggest joy of watching kids play with STEM is this aha moment when they've figured it out.
I think that if you ever have a chance to do STEM, that you should do it.
Our STEM Ambassador program is offered at our elementary schools, and these are students who are really passionate about STEM and want to share their learning and expertise with their peers.
We're STEM ambassadors and we learn about STEM and technology. It's fun because we get to do a lot of STEM activities that we don't usually get to do in the classroom.
So at Washington Elementary, we have 36 members. I was blown away by the amount of students that signed up. I thought we were going to be a smaller group, but it's amazing to see how many students that are interested in STEM.
You get to learn new stuff, you get to meet new people, you do a lot of exploring into technology.
And what we do is every week we get together and we talk about a different piece of technology, and then we do an activity with it. We talk about how it might be used in other classrooms, and then we promote leadership within the school.
We are teaching the first, second, and third graders about the STEM stuff that we have planned.
They are going to learn a lesson today in STEM Club, and then they're going to practice facilitating it, and then later this week they're going to go into a classroom and they're going to help lead the lesson with the first, second, and third grade students. And what's even cooler is that the lesson that they're doing is aligned to what they're learning about, either in science or CKLA.
We ask teachers to infuse STEM into their lessons, not necessarily making it a separate component of what we teach to students, but asking them to implement it naturally into their regular curriculum.
It's helping the students build their creativity and their critical thinking skills, and that way they're able to apply it as they get older and later on in life.
Thank you, teachers, for allowing us to do STEM ambassadors.
Sentry, thank you so much for awarding this grant for our school district. It is helping students not only this year, but for many years to come, and we are so grateful.
We want to thank Sentry Insurance Foundation for the opportunities you've given us for the last 3 years, and we look forward to implementing STEM for a very long time.